Hey everybody, it's Aloha, and I wanted to really quickly show you some strategies for setting your home page in your Canvas Sandbox course. So right now we are looking at the home page for OESP, which you should all be familiar with. You'll see there's a banner image across the top, some content, some information, some fancy buttons, with how to start the week's material. So we currently have our home page set to this custom page that we've designed. Your home page, if you haven't done anything to it in your sandbox, might look like something like this, where it's actually just showing you what's called the recent activity stream, or maybe your home page goes right to your modules page. So when you're looking at your default homepage in Canvas, if you look over to the right, you'll see the option to choose your homepage. And if you click on that, you'll see the options for home pages in Canvas. The activity stream, the pages front page, modules, assignments, or syllabus. Generally speaking, I recommend using the Pages front page, which is what we do in OESP. This allows you to set whatever you want on your homepage, so whatever you need to convey to your students. As you'll see, it's grayed out, and that is because we have not yet created a front page for the course. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that. Really quickly, I'll show you some examples of other home pages. Obviously, there's OESP. Here's another home page where you'll see an image, some kind of welcome message, and some kind of instruction on how to get started. That's kind of the standard information you see on a course homepage. You also see another example here of a homepage in Canvas that has an image, information, how to start, as well as some basic contact information for the instructor, which I think is very useful if you can provide your students with your name and email, phone number, and maybe even how quickly you will respond to questions. And here's one more home page. The reason I show this one is this is an example of a home page that includes a video embedded instead of an image, and that's another great thing you can do if you have a welcome video. A great place for it might be embedded on a home page with your contact information and a nice welcome to the class. So let's assume you're back at your default Canvas homepage, and you want to create your own front page, which is what I was telling you about. So if we go to our Pages menu using the navigation on the left and click Pages, and I'm going to go ahead and add a new page using the button in the upper right hand corner. And I'm going to go ahead and call my page Homepage. And then you can add whatever you want to this page. It's your basic editor that you see whenever you're editing any page in Canvas. So you might include a welcome to the class, or welcome to OESP, or welcome to Library 10, which is the course I teach. And then you can add maybe your name, okay, and maybe your email, maybe office hours, whatever you feel like you want to add here that's really important for your students to know. And I like to add response time as well, so they know what to expect. And again, this is just basic information. You can add whatever you need for your class. And remember, when you're designing this home page, to keep in mind the accessibility rules that we've learned, right? So maybe we want to throw in some headers. Maybe this is a good place to practice with some of our headers that we use in the course. Maybe you want to make a bulleted list, right? So always keep accessibility in mind when you're designing any page, and especially your home page. Let's add an image. So options for adding an image are, you can use from this page right here. You can go to the right and you'll see there's an Images tab. This will allow you to either search Flickr or upload a brand new image that you may already have on your computer, right? If you click Upload a New Image, it will let you navigate through your images to choose one that makes sense for your course. So what that looks like is just open it and upload it, and it will put it right in your course. Now, another option, if you don't have an image in mind that you want to add, you can search Flickr here, and also you can search it if you use the embed image on the HTML editor. This is something I do quite often. If I don't know what image I want to use, I might click embed and then go ahead and do Flickr. And we can find Creative Commons images. And you can find something related to your course in some way. So for me, maybe some library books. This will do a search, and all of these images are free and open for me to use. So maybe I choose one, and again, remember your accessibility, add your alt text, and it embeds that nice image right on my page. So of course, let's save it. And one key is that you can't use a home page that's not published. So we have to publish our page. As soon as we publish it, we can go to, I hope you can see it, but here in the upper right-hand corner, it's published now. So now I should see an option on the gear icon to use this home page as my front page, is what it's called in Canvas. I know, a little bit. So now you'll see that the front page icon is up here in the top. And now when I go back to click on the home button in the upper left-hand corner, I can now say choose home page and click pages front page, which I know is the right one because I already see home page there. And click save, and voila, there's my home page. So now that is set as my home page, and I can change it at any time by editing this page or by choosing a different home page. So just to reiterate, you start at your home page. You're gonna create a custom front page, for example, set it as your front page, then choose your home page and select front page as your home page. All right, good luck with that, and let us know if you have any questions.